When you want to create decorative lines in tile coverings, the Schluter DECO profile is the perfect solution. Not only does the profile protect tile edges, it is also a great way to transition to other surface coverings, such as wood or carpet, that are the same height. The visible surface of the DECO is 1/4 inch wide, and the profile can be used in both floor and wall applications. The profile is available in a variety of materials and finishes. Need to create curves in the floor design? In certain materials, the anchoring leg of the DECO profile is available with a special radius perforation, so that the profile can be used to create those curves. All of these features make DECO an ideal choice to create decorative lines that enhance the design of tiled floors. We all know that planning is important with any tile installation. It's even more critical when working with profiles. It really is the key to a successful project. We have chosen the tile and the profiles, and determined the overall layout. DECO will be used to create decorative lines within the tile floor. The Dialex BWA profile will be installed where the tile meets the walls to provide a movement joint. We selected the DECO size according to the thickness and format of the tile. In addition to tile setting tools, we will also need to choose the proper tools to cut the profiles. This will depend on what material the profile is made of. For the DECO in aluminum, we'll be using a chop saw or miter saw with a non-ferrous blade. Aluminum profiles can also be cut using a variable speed angle grinder with the Schluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel. A third option is to simply use a hacksaw with a bimetal blade. With the planning complete, let's prepare for installation. The floor has been prepared to receive tile, including the installation of the Schluter DECO electric floor warming system. The Dialex BWA profiles have already been cut and set into place. Keep in mind that we must avoid any overlap of the profile anchoring legs, because this will interfere with the tile installation. In this case, the anchoring legs of the Dialex BWA have been cut to avoid overlap with the DECO. Now, we can move on to the installation. The sequence may vary depending on the layout and installer preference. DECO is installed at the same time as the tiles. Install the first row of tile. Next, we'll measure where the DECO profile will be installed. Then, transfer the measurement to the profile. Remember to always observe all safety instructions and standards. We cut the DECO using a miter saw with a non-ferrous blade. For best results, cut the profile slowly. An accurate cut ensures a clean transition. Then, file the cut end of the profile to remove any burrs. Dry fit the profiles before installing them. Using a notched trowel, apply thin-set mortar to the area where the DECO will be installed. Firmly press the anchoring leg of the profile into the thin-set mortar and align. Next, we trowel additional thin-set mortar over the anchoring leg. This is necessary to ensure full coverage and support of the tile edges. Solidly embed the tiles into the thin-set mortar, so that the tiled surface is flush with the top of the profile. Don't forget to remove excess setting material immediately from the profile to avoid any damage to the finish. Repeat the process, installing the DECO according to the tile layout and design. We complete the installation by setting the remaining tiles. As you can see, with attention to detail, DECO will enhance tile designs in virtually any application and will turn an ordinary tile installation into the center of attention. Another great innovation from Schluter-Systems.